Next, 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. If the Queen is drawn and put aside, one card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that the second card picked up is number a king, and number B, queen? See, these are two separate questions. Okay. Problem is very simple. Just take 5 cards and put them down. Q is drawn and put aside. So Q is gone. So remaining what? 4. See here, once you know Q is drawn, then the probability doesn't exist at all. Okay. So only remove that one and only 4 remain now. So required what? First is a king. Okay. So king is 1. Required is 1. And how many are the total? 4. 1 by 4. Second is queen is required. Then now queen is already removed. So is there any possibility of getting a queen? 0. So but queen is already removed. So required q equals to 0. 0 upon 4, 0. Okay. Next, Honey goes to school by a car driven by his